A major milestone in India's infrastructure expansion has been marked with the inauguration of the Ganga Expressway, the longest expressway in Uttar Pradesh and one of the most ambitious greenfield highway projects in the country. Stretching nearly 594 kilometers, the access-controlled corridor has been developed to connect Meerut in western Uttar Pradesh to Prayagraj in the eastern region, passing through 12 districts including Hapur, Bulandashar, Amroha, Sambhal, Badon, Shahjahanpur, Hardoi, Unnao, Raebareli and Pratapgarh. More than 500 villages are being directly linked, bringing rural and semi-urban areas into the mainstream of economic activity. Constructed at an estimated cost of over 36,000 crore rupees, the 6-lane expressway, expandable to 8 lanes, has been designed for speeds of up to 120 km per hour. Travel time between Meerut and Prayagraj has been reduced by almost half, from 10 to 12 hours to around 6 hours, significantly improving passenger movement as well as freight efficiency across the state. Engineered with next-generation infrastructure, the expressway features 14 major bridges, over 160 minor bridges, multiple flyovers, railway overbridges, hundreds of underpasses and nearly 800 culverts to ensure seamless connectivity. Extensive service roads spanning over 700 kilometers have been built to facilitate local traffic and improve last-mile access. A key strategic highlight is the inclusion of an emergency airstrip, enabling fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force to land and take off during contingencies. With multiple such airstrips now operational, Uttar Pradesh has emerged as the leading state in integrating defense utility within road infrastructure. The project has been aligned with a broader industrial corridor vision, under which large-scale logistics parks, warehousing hubs and manufacturing clusters are being planned along the route. Beyond economic gains, the expressway is expected to reduce fuel consumption, lower transportation costs and improve supply chain reliability. The Ganga Expressway also strengthens Uttar Pradesh's position as India's leading expressway network state, contributing to the rapid expansion of the national expressway grid, which has grown exponentially over the past decade. Seen as more than just a transportation project, the corridor represents a convergence of connectivity, economic ambition and strategic capability. By linking regions, unlocking opportunities and accelerating mobility, the Ganga Expressway is poised to reshape the development landscape of Uttar Pradesh and reinforce the momentum toward a high-growth, infrastructure-driven future.